CardioLog Analytics SaaS offers many reports designed for Yammer social networks to help analyze social adoption, collaboration, productivity, and engagement levels. Now I'll show you our Yammer Reports, which will help you understand how your Yammer platform is being used. Let's dive in. We use the Yammer Engagement Overview Report to understand how active each group is within Yammer. This report's visuals are ready to be filtered by date or content type. Here we can get insights such as the number of users who created at least one conversation, the number of users who replied to or liked at least one message, the number of users who did not create or like any message, and the number of users who created or liked at least one message. This report highlights the most active groups within your Yammer network. It can be quickly filtered by last activity date or group creation date. Here I can quickly and easily get data about the number of groups that are external, the number of groups that had at least one conversation, and the number of groups that were created in the last 30 days, as well as the number of groups that are private versus public. We can clearly see the Yammer group, how many messages have been created, how many replies there are, and then the percentage of positive reports, which will help identify which Yammer groups possibly need more training and support. This will inform us which Yammer users to reach out to and ask them for feedback in general to see what can be done to help or assist them to drive that positive percentage up. This report highlights the most active users within your Yammer network. It contains visuals ready to be quickly filtered by date, group, or user attributes such as manager, office, job title, department, and country to get really great insights on how active different groups are in this platform. After seeing who these active users are, you can reach out to them to host a quick session on best practices to help support those users and groups lagging in terms of Yammer activity. Use the Yammer Conversations report to see the messages that gather the greatest response and which types of threads are the most common. For each conversation, we can see the number of participants, replies, and very importantly, the number of positive, negative, as well as neutral sentiments. So, when you see the number of negative sentiments are much higher, then you can reach out to those participants, the same way mentioned before. With Yammer Reports, you can look into which Yammer groups and users are contributing content and engaging with it, and who's in need of more guidance, training, or the spotlight to help other users.